Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawns are going upward direction this way. So guys, as always, before I say anything else, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing you wanna do, maybe capturing the bishop, but that is obviously not the solution because black would just capture your pawn, and notice we can't get to the pawn, to our pawn, and we have to move the pawn or the king. It doesn't matter what piece we play, it's going to be obviously a draw. So for this reason, taking the bishop is not the solution. The other is to push our pawn and give a check. This looks a lot solid, but once again this is a draw because even though they look connected and advanced, we can't do anything because black would just have a bishop, an extra bishop, and you may just capture this, but black would just go out and you can't even play here because of the king, and simply black would just play here. And if you now capture, if you now push, you can't play here because of the bishop, and if you just to play around like this, black would just play here, and now you can't play there or there, and you don't have any way to stop black from getting the draw. So this is once again a draw. The other alternative we have is to push f7. So that is the best move and the correct move of the puzzle. So what we are doing in this position is we are threatening to promote to a queen. So what can black do in this position? Well, the king can play here. That is the first alternative. But now we can capture the bishop, and notice black can't stop both of these threats. Black has to stop only one of them, right? Black can't stop both of them or do something about them. It's going to be one of them is going to be a queen. So that is what would be the follow-up if black plays a king move. What if black plays the strongest move, other strongest move like this? So what do we do? Well, in this position we capture the bishop, and notice it's going to be nearly a stalemate, but thanks to the pawn on h6, the enemy pawn, black can get a move, and that wouldn't be a stalemate. This would be just checkmate, right? So it's a cool checkmate, and I just under promoted to a rook. Even a rook can't deliver a checkmate in a position like this. So that is the idea, and that is the follow-up. But this is not the strongest move for black. The best response is to play bishop to g8, sacrificing the bishop. So we do have three options like these options. So obviously we can't play here. So the other option we have is to capture this, and this looks like a win for a lot of beginner, but this is not a win as black can make the opposition, and we can't do anything to win this, right? This is stalemate, and if we just try to change direction to try other moves, black wouldn't let us do this, right? If we just do this, black would just get the opposition, and there is literally no way to make black lose this if black plays the correct move. So once again this is going to be just a draw if we capture the bishop. So how about promoting to a queen? So the problem with this is stalemate, right? It's going to be stalemate. So what do we do? What should we do to stop black from getting a draw, actually to win the game? So the idea is, yes, to promote, but not a queen to a rook. So again, it's a pin, and the only difference is the rook can't attack diagonally, and the king or black has one legal move to play in this particular position, that is king to g7, and we can just move the rook away, and we do have a pawn here. Yes, the bishop can move like any move like this, but we just give a check, and we can just capture this, and this is going to be a win for us, right? So black can't do anything actually about this. So after black plays any move, on the next move it doesn't matter, black can play many moves like this, but it doesn't matter. We can play, black can play like this, but at the end of the day it doesn't matter. We can get a queen, and yes, black can sacrifice the bishop, but we have an extra rook here to win the black king. So this is actually the solution. For a recap, this is the first position of the puzzle. First, we are going to play pawn to f7 or f7. So this makes black to move, or the king or the bishop, one of these pieces, but the strongest is to play bishop to g8. So what do we play? We push not a queen but a rook, f8 rook. So here black has only got one move, and the purpose of promoting to a rook is actually to not occupy the square g7, so that the black king can step on it on the next move. So we move the rook anywhere, like a beginner can win this, anywhere is possible. And after this move, after we promote to a rook, there are plenty of ways to win the game. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel, to like the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.